When you first run the app, you get to the teams list. Right now there's only one team in the list, but later you may have several. The app has automatically created one team called My Team. You might want to do a little setup, so let's tap the little I button to the right of My Team, and this is the team details. Here you can change the name, or more importantly, you might need to switch the number of outfielders if you're playing on a softball team, for example. Once you've got that all set up, let's tap on My Team and see what's inside of it. So the first thing you'll see is we have one player in there that got inserted automatically, John Smith. And let's just tap on John Smith, hit the little I button, and there you can set different attributes. Maybe John is number 5. There you can see where phone numbers, email addresses, and other things like that can be added. Now to add more players, you're going to tap the little menu button in the top right corner, and there you see options like add a player, send a team message if you've entered in phone numbers, send a team email if you've entered in emails, and export this to the TeamSnap web service. I'll let you do that later. So at the top I'm going to switch to game, and here we have no games yet. Brand new team. If I want to add a game, tap the menu button in the top right corner. Now it's changed. Since we're looking at games, it says add a game. I'll do that. Here's the opponent, here's the date. You can change that to anything you want. The number of innings here is important. Um, Whatever you set here, it will remember that in the future. So maybe you like to always start with 5 innings. Maybe you want to plan out 7 innings. There's your choice. If you want to keep track of scrimmages separately and not enter those into your statistics, you might want to just do that. And MVP is just a handy place to store some information about that game. So I'm going to hit done. So we have one game in our list. And very similarly, you can tap on practices and add a new practice. Put in a date. When you go to a practice, you'll see a list of all your players, and you can mark them as present or not present. Let's go back to the teams list, and let's look at the bottom. At the bottom on the left, we have some help. Be sure to read through that. We've also got a way to print out reports once you have some data. We have some settings. Throughout the app, there'll be some statistics that pop up. You might want to select here your favorite statistic on base percentage, the easy way or the hard way, um, batting average. Maybe you just want to look at batting average for the last 2 weeks. Also, when we look at fielding positions, some teams like to keep track of that just by the number of the fielding position. Some people like to have a little more easy to recognize, like 1B would be first base instead of 3. Also, when we're looking at text messages, um, it, that's another topic, but if your phone is capable of it, you might want to send them in larger batch sizes. And then on the bottom right, we have a little about this app. It's an easy way to see what your version number is. It's an easy way to send me an email. And we sure do appreciate when you rate the app and let others know about how cool this is. So in another video, we're going to talk about the game view, but that'll be it for now. Thanks.